That is the sound of happiness. It's Friday, guys. I am so happy. The week is over. Oh, yeah, look at me. I don't know how my camera got set up to nighttime mode, but it got set up to nighttime mode somehow. I don't know. But this is a one-take video. No editing. I'm not going to edit. I'm going to just upload this video. If I stumble on my words or say something that doesn't sound too good, whatever, you know. But what's been happening lately with me, guys? Let's see. Well, yesterday, I was picking up, I was assisting a passenger of mine in my bus, and guess what? My bus got hit. I do have the video of it, so I want to go ahead and upload that when I can. Now, I know Handy Hudson Knight, another YouTuber, great friend of mine actually. He's a good guy, got a lot of good videos. He did ask me when I'm gonna upload another video, and I said within a week, but you know, I shouldn't make any promises, you know, because if I can't stick to my promises, you know, why should I mean, I didn't say I promise, but you know, it's like a promise, you know. So yeah, so I just want to upload this one, you know, tomorrow. Today is Friday, by the way. This is another week. I am so happy. I got a class tomorrow, 5-hour class. This is so freaky, right? The video, it makes my vest look so bright. But yeah, so I have that going on. You know, those videos, the other videos that I have, I'll get to them when I get to them. You know, I always say life first. They say that if you want to grow on YouTube, you know, upload consistently or whatever, but you know, it's I'm just making videos when I can, or edit them and upload them when I can, because I don't want to focus on just YouTube. You know, I just say life first, and when you get a chance, you know, you do what you got to do. And you know, if you want to make videos or whatever, sometimes see, I have my computer in my living room, and now it's been getting cold with this winter weather and stuff, and my living room gets pretty cold, so I'm not, you know, sometimes I just go to my bedroom, and I got good heat in my bedroom, and the living room that I have, it's not, you know, it doesn't get too hot, you know, but it gets really hot in my bedroom. So sometimes I just even if I spend time in the living room, I'm just I have my clothes on, my robe on, and you know, I'm just not in the mood. It just sitting there and working, you know, getting on the computer and editing videos and stuff. Or sometimes I'm just doing other things, you know. I was actually editing a video for my class. I was updating a video and editing it, because in my 5-hour class, I you know, I show them videos. I show them the videos. I show them the PowerPoint presentations. I give them questionnaires. So, and by the way, guys, if you're new here, you know, I should have done this in the beginning, but my name is Sam. They you know, they call me Big Mac Sam sometimes. I never said how I got my name, Big Mac Sam, but let me tell you guys how I got that name. I don't like Big Macs. I don't hardly eat beef. My doctor told me to stop eating beef, so I will eat it every once in a blue moon. I'm not a big beef eater, but the name Big Mac Sam, how did I get that name? Well, the way I got that name was that a few years ago I went to Wendy's, and you know how you're gonna pay for your food in Wendy's. If you give them your debit card or credit card, they already know your name. They'll put, I don't know if all Wendy's are like this, but the Wendy's that I go to, they have a computer monitor, and they put your name down when you order food, and when your name will be on the monitor along with everybody else's name. You know, and you know, they put your name on queue, so when your order is ready, and then they call your name, So if you give your debit card or credit card, they already have your name. But if you pay in cash, they ask you for your name. So I'm a prankster. They asked me, what's your name? I said Big Mac. And that's how I got the name. So, you know, when my order arrived, when my order was ready, the lady said Big Mac, and people were like, Big Mac? So that's how I got the name Big Mac. You know, they started, you know, some of the students, I told them my story, and they started calling me Big Mac Sam. So that's how I got the name Big Mac Sam. Simple as that, guys. I never made a video on how I got the name Big Mac, so that's how I got the name. So if you ever wonder how I got the name Big Mac Sam, that's how I got it. But anyway, guys, short video. I am heading home right now, and I figured let me go ahead. Let me turn off this heater. Maybe you guys could hear me better. I'm sure you guys could hear me anyway. So look at my eyes. I have light eyes. like I told my wife, look, baby, I got light eyes. My wife, she has green eyes, beautiful green eyes. And when I saw the video with the night mode like this, it was it made my eyes look light, and it was so weird, freaky. And sorry for the reflection on the on my vest, guys. So I don't know how my camera got like this. So you know, it got into night mode. I think one time when I reset it or something, because my camera sometimes it just stops. It's like it's recording, but when I go to check out the footage, it didn't continue recording for the rest of the evening or whatever. It happens every once in a while, once in a blue moon. So what I do is I just reset the whole thing and delete all the videos, and I do a fresh start, and I put the correct date and all that. So you know, and it just probably set it up to night mode automatically, like a default, you know, the default settings. So, and I didn't realize that it did that. I don't know, because before when I reset it, I did a reset, it didn't do it. So I don't know. But anyway, guys, short video. Just wanted to let you guys know what I was up to. I did record, like I said, record another. I was actually hit on my bus. I do have that footage. This morning I caught on my camera. I started using my my old camera in my bus now, so I actually got footage from the hit that, you know, when my bus got hit. And this morning I saw two cars that it was after the crash. They both collided, and I caught that one also. I want to remove that footage from my camera and go ahead and upload that sometime in the future. You know, it takes a lot of time to edit, you know, put a video together to upload it. You know, I'm not looking to get big on YouTube or anything. So, I mean, if it happens, it happens, you know. But anyway, I want to thank new subscribers. I noticed that I do have females in the, what is it, crocheting or crocheting? I don't know. Is it crocheting? Subscribe to my channel. Thank you for that. How did that happen? Because I did go into a live for another YouTuber. You know, sometimes if you want to grow, you could go into other people's live stream, and they'll click on your name and they see that you're also a YouTuber, and then it so happens that they might subscribe if they see what they like. So short video, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go so I can focus on my driving. This is a one-take video, no editing at all. Take care. I'll get to those other videos when I get a chance. I don't want to make promises on when I'm gonna get them out, but sometimes it can backfire if you upload a lot of videos. People probably start getting tired of your videos. They start unsubscribing. Anyway, guys, take it easy. Be safe. Look around. Look around. Later, guys.